Hello again, traders. Right, this is a really quick video. It's an observation I made this morning, and I uploaded a bunch of H4 charts on the indices, and I said just something like watching and learning, which is what I normally do when I am just observing charts and not really trading. Brilliant gold trade first thing this morning, literally about 5:30 it was, I think, after the 5 o'clock H4 chart printed, or H4 candle printed. And what I noticed about these, I posted all these with this sort of sideways H4, and at the time I put a tweet up. This was just a tiny little candle here, and interestingly, and I wondered if anyone would pick up on it, it was this and this all over here does not look remotely bearish, and when this was a tiny little candle here, just in line with these, so we had 3 flat candles effectively, this was not in the slightest bit bearish compared to, say for example, this. We can see prices falling off here. It was going up there. Price is grey, falling off here, and it's certainly not grey and falling off there. So I thought that was really interesting. So I'd already got my sort of bias to the long side here. Same for the other indices too. Look, no bearishness whatsoever there on the TMA slope. Same there, no divergence. So that was a tiny candle, and look what it's done. These are huge moves on the lower time frames. We'll have a look at that in a moment. US 500, same thing. S&P 500, whatever. No bearishness really there at all. Sideways, and that was a tiny little candle. So lo and behold, we had 2 options. It was either going to drop or it was going to continue, and this to me suggested continuation. So when people say indicators are worthless, just laugh at them, because they don't know what they're talking about, in my opinion. And what else we got? D40. That was it behind this. It wasn't a clear picture there. It was behind this great big lump of supply and demand, but still similar situation. The previous H4, which is due to close at 9 o'clock, and that is the one of the alarms set for that. As you can see, this is by no means looking divergent. It's going up, and we're pushing up on that as well. Incredible stuff. These 2 indicators are absolutely priceless in my opinion. So I just thought I'd make that point. Something for us to additional for us to look at. The comparison with the left hand side of the charts that I talk about all the time, like this situation here, is a total different kettle of fish than this situation here. Yeah, we can look at those moves now. That's the open and close of those 2 candles there and there, and get down on M15, and you can see a perfect trend push to the long side into supply there. That was US 30. Not sure what they looked like. Yeah, similar. No, these are what we trade day in, day out. Descending, ascending, momentum, you name it, it's all there. So yeah, just another little observation on how to use the momentum indicators that we use. The TMA slope is when we've got an upward movement in slope, as it were, just the price, this is what tells us that's this tells us that is ongoing, plus it's multi-time frame, so it's like a multi-time frame version of the RSI histo. Out of 10, this one's 11 out of 10, and this one's 10 out of 10 as far as importance is concerned for me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.